wach kaka sani koro dhi nyime ni. Kane gigolo kwayo ma kama ne giwacho ni en ranyisi mok ber ne jogo magitelo negi. Sama bende koro gibare wach koni gi koni ka giwacho ni gima kama endi ok ber ne piny Kenya kendo kelo ranyisi manoendo ma ok ni kare. Jotend kanise go eko nokwayo kwe mar mondo mi obedie kanyakla gi winjruok. Ne giwacho ni kata gin bende ginyalo chopo mondo mi koro githegi jotelo ariyo go eko kendo giketgi e aput achiel gigo mbaka kaka ne gitiyo e kinde machon.
For it's only when they sort out their differences amicably and peacefully that we shall also learn from them. The other leaders who are, many other leaders who are under them and would want to copy their style of either talking or doing things. So we urge them, even if they can't get themselves together, to look for elders who can get them inside the Uhuru or inside the vernacular hut, where they can talk, share, and vent out their issues, and then come out as leaders of the nation, fathers and mothers of the fathers of the nation, and also come out as good examples to be followed, especially this time when the campaigns are on the last gear.
We also ask the government to manage her appetite for loans and put measures to mitigate and manage the skyrocketing prices of foods and other commodities. More to this is a call on the government to subsidize fertilizer prices to improve our yields in this season. We also are deeply concerned about the corruption that has been permeating our country in every sector, and ask that the government try to mitigate and manage the vice without making or taking any sides.